A Sydney hospital is under fire for demanding payment from a patient 18 months after he died. The patient died of cancer in July 2010, but was sent a bill from Nepean Hospital last month. Only last September, the state government promised to fix a backlog of letters from all hospitals. State political reporter Bridget Glanville.
Isabel Woodbridge lost her husband to mesothelioma in July 2010. 18 months after his last radiotherapy, she received a bill from Nepean Hospital.
It just brings back all the memory of everything, what he's been through and all that, which you don't want to keep thinking about, but you do.
The letter should have gone to the Workers' Compensation Dust Diseases Board. Mrs Woodbridge says she received no apology from the hospital and was later asked to forward the account on.
Nobody said, oh, terribly sorry about that, you know. And they just asked me, when I told them, they just asked me to find this number on the account.
The Doctors' Action Group says this highlights major inefficiencies at Nepean Hospital.
Most small businesses will be too embarrassed to send out an account at that date, but apparently governments aren't embarrassed about it at all.
In September last year, Westmead Hospital came under attack for sending cancer patients follow-up letters 2 years after their treatment. The Health Minister, Gillian Skinner, said they'd fix it.
So I'm very pleased to say that the 1,800 letters, or thereabouts, have now been typed up and sent on to GPs, and the fact that this won't happen again can be guaranteed.
Last year, the Health Minister ordered hospitals across New South Wales to check whether they have any patients who are waiting for follow-up letters about their treatment. The audit found that there was a small existing backlog, but there were plans in place to rectify this. The opposition says the government hasn't fixed anything.
She told us last year that this backlog had been fixed, that she'd employed new people and put in place procedures that this wouldn't happen again.
The government says it's a one-off mistake.
This particular bill was paid way back in 2010, but it fortunately showed up in an audit as though it hadn't been paid, and she was sent a bill.
The Health Department has apologised to the family. Bridget Glanville, ABC News.